It drinks up all the water and all the toothpaste. Nice. Real fast. You did it. You're doing it. That's how. Nice. Nice.
Close it.
And now
Close
turn
it
it
back
over.
up.
There. Perfect.
There you go. You can do it yourself now.
Yours has that cool little suction cup that can stick to the wall. And then watch this one. It can stick to the side.
You like it, isn't it?
You like it. That's awesome.
Come here.
Wow. Squish that with me. Can you squish it? Oh, nice. It's really soft. And this one, it just spins
That's a
around.
doctor toothbrush, okay?
That's right. And it just spins
It's
around.
magic one.
You got it. Here, I'll turn it on so it'll spin. You got it. Yes, feel it. Sometimes it tickles. You got
Don't
it.
it.
And then can I show you your fingernail? Oh, here. You want to feel it again? You can feel it. Ooh, just doing circles. Let me show your fingernail how it feels. All right, so think of your fingernail like your tooth. Whoa. And then we just brush it like this. Oh, this one right here.
It smells good.
Oh, it does smell good. This was my favorite smell. Can you open real big? Big, big, big. Very nice. So we can get the back of your teeth. So always remember, get the back side of your teeth. Here comes my little water hose, okay? And my little vacuum.
You practiced that already.
Good job. Close and kiss.
There you go.
And open. Good job. Water. Close and kiss it. You got open. I got some toothpaste back here. So let's water it. You want to hold my suction? You can turn it on right there. You got it. You come on in for me, okay? And I'm going to put your toothpaste right here so I can guide you in, okay?
Look,
Can you open real big? Can you turn our way? Can you turn over here this way? This way, this way. Perfect. Don't close. Water. And now close and kiss that straw. Go, mwah. You got it. Mwah. Good job. Let's do it again, okay? Brother, I'm going to put you back here. Good job. You did it. And open, you can take it out. And then turn that lever down. Perfect. I'll help you put it up.
Yay, thank you.
A plaque on that tongue side of his teeth. So a wet washcloth in there at first might be a little, this way and open big. Oh,
Come
yeah,
here.
open.
Turn this way a little bit.
Perfect. And water. Close. Mwah. You got open big. Okay, water. Close and kiss it. Yeah. You can take it out, turn it off. Thank you so
You
much.
did it.
To you.
That looks really satisfying to watch.
Oh yeah.
တန်းငယ်လေး X-ray ရိုက်နေတာတွားကို X-ray ရိုက်နေတာဒီမှာဟဲ့တိုင်းအရင်မလုပ်နဲ့ငယ်ငယ်လေးနေ X-ray ပြရတယ်နဲ့
Wrapped up. Can you lean your head up for me? Use around. Open for me. Good. Good job. Pick your chin up a little bit more. Oh, up. There you go. I think just
ရှီရနော်
make it. Good. Open. Good. Let's do 2 more, okay? Brushing. Perfect. So start now. Close. Close. Close and spin. Good job. And open. Good job. Up here. All the way in the back. Bite down just a little. Bite down. Yeah, there you go. So if he's too tight, way in the back, you won't be able to get his toothbrush in there. Open. Bite down. Good. You can just have him bite down because sometimes they're really tight up there. And to give you some more room, close. Have him bite down almost all the way and then circle motion.
Yeah.
But keep going. Okay, open me. You got open. It'll get open real big. Let's go to the bottom again. Good. Okay. Good. I love this stuff. Close and kiss.